Republic of the Philippines, Province of Lanao del Norte, Municipality of Kulambugan, Barangay Karumatan, Office of the Punong Barangay. Executive Order number 9, Series of 2021. An order providing guidelines on the fiesta celebration in Barangay Karumatan, Kulambugan, Lanao del Norte. Whereas pursuant to the Proclamation number 922, declaring a state of public health emergency throughout the Philippines. Whereas the declaration of a state of public health emergency would capacitate government agencies and LGUs to immediately act to prevent the spread of the disease and loss of life, implement urgent and critical measures to contain or prevent the spread of COVID-19, mitigating its effects and impact to the community. Whereas under Section 16 of Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991, mandates that every local government unit shall exercise the powers expressly granted, those necessary implied therefrom, as well as powers necessary, appropriate, or incidental for its efficient and effective governance, and those which are essentials to the promotion of the general welfare. Whereas there is a need to provide guidelines in consonance to the national government and the National Interagency Task Force for the management of emerging infectious disease policies to safeguard the health and safety of the people and to prevent the coronavirus from spreading in the barangay. Whereas, as by the month of July and August 2021, we have 12 confirmed COVID-19 cases, which is a local transmission of seed virus. Now, therefore, I, Anthony Chua Dahili, the Punong Barangay, Barangay Karumatan, Kulambugan, Lanao del Norte, by virtue of the power vested in me by the Local Government Code of 1991 and the other pertinent laws of the Republic of the Philippines, do hereby and order. Section 1. Fiesta activities. All forms of activities are not allowed and strictly prohibited. Internet cafes, computer shop shall remain closed. Business video key at the store is still prohibited. Gambling is still prohibited. Procession and other religious activities is still prohibited. Disco party or any form of mass gathering party is strictly prohibited. All health protocols, guidelines, and policies of the DOH shall be observed. Section 2. Curfew hour. Under Provincial Ordinance number 10, Section 10, and Municipal Ordinance number 7, Section 2A, 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. shall remain. Section 3. Prohibition of public consumption of alcohol beverage. Public consumption of alcoholic beverage is strictly prohibited. All convenience stores, sari-sari store, and all other stores within the barangay are allowed only to sell, carrying, transport beer, wine, liquor, or similar intoxicating beverage between 1 to 5 and the afternoon. Beyond of that time is prohibited. Section 4. Mandating wearing of face mask, face shield on household and public places. Observe social distancing. Shall all times follow the minimum health protocols, including wearing of face mask and face shield, and the observance of physical or social distancing. Section 5. For visiting non-residents of the Barangay Karumatan, Kulambugan, Lanao del Norte from outside Lanao del Norte, entry in the Barangay Karumatan, Kulambugan, Lanao del Norte during fiesta is strictly prohibited. Section 6. For authorized person outside residence APUR. APUR outside and inside Lanao del Norte, upon entry of the barangay during fiesta, they shall secure the current medical health certificate and Xerox copy of vaccination card. Submit it to the office of the barangay or at the Barangay Health Emergency Response Team, BERT, in charge. No compliance of said requirements is prohibited. Apart from identified high-risk area and critical area is strictly not allowed to enter the area and responsibility of this barangay Karumatan, Kulambugan, Lanao del Norte during fiesta unless he or she present RT-PCR swab test result within 72 hours. They shall all times follow the minimum health protocols including wearing of face mask, face shield, and the observance of physical or social distancing. Section 7. For non-authorized person outside residence, non-apur outside and inside Lanao del Norte, upon entry the barangay fiesta, they shall secure the current medical certificate and Xerox copy of vaccination card, submit it to the office of the barangay or at the barangay health emergency response team birth in charge. No compliance of such requirements is prohibited. Non-apur from identified high-risk area and critical area is strictly not allowed to entry the area of responsibility of this barangay Karumatan, Kulambugan, Lanao del Norte during fiesta unless he or she present RT-PCR swab test result within 72 hours. They shall all times follow the minimum health protocols including wearing of face mask, face shield, and the observance of physical or social distancing. Section 8. Minimum health protocols in barangay, household, and public places. Taking a body temperature, strict social and physical distancing, use of alcohol or alcohol-based sanitizers, regular disinfection of the household, wearing of face mask, face shield, or other protective or combination thereof, which can effectively lessen the transmission of COVID-19. Section 9. Penalty. Any violation or non-compliance of the said executive order and shall be subject for penalty. All authorized, elected, and appointed barangay officials are authorized to make the necessary apprehension of those that are exhibiting in the implementation of this order, but always considering the constitutional rights of the citizen. Section 10. Effectivity. This order shall take effect this ninth day of August to August 16, 2021, and it will be lifted after the date stated. Issue this the 9th day of August 2021 at Barangay Karumatan, Kulambugan, Lanao del Norte. Signed by yours truly, the Punong Barangay, Anthony Chua Dahili.